get in it.
I know, right? But hold on. Go to the back now. Hit the button.
Hey, you can too bad you shot out the tire.
Yeah, right? But too bad you blew open the doors. Still though, this ain't as good as
Celebrities?
the,
Don't worship a man on TV who
box truck.
performs in a talent.
Oh, well. I'm getting off here. I'm too tired.
Alright.
I'll probably catch you tomorrow night if you're on. Well, I should say tonight, huh?
Yeah, really, right?
Alright, I'm off.
Alright, Dennis, have a good one.
Nothing fruity like a job. Marry a fat.
Did you leave, Dennis?
He's going to. I think he's just playing, just shut off his console, but it takes a while for him to freaking actually be disconnected from the party. Yeah, basically that's what happens when when you totally shut off your console whatnot. The player goes berserk and stuff.
Yeah, it's exactly. Did he just fucking got out of the vehicle and start running? I think he's on fire.
Yep.
I gotta sell a vehicle yet. Let's sell this one. Simeon wants this vehicle. Of course Simeon does. He wants every vehicle I touch.